Hello! Welcome back to our channel. So, I'm Doris and my husband, Stas. So, now we're going to the grocery. So, how much kaya yung ini-spend namin for our grocery shopping? So, samahan nyo kami guys sa Save More. See you later! Thank you, Kuya. So, hanapin natin. So, noodles. Price, 7 pesos. I get this. Shrimp, it's only 3 pieces, 200 na. Babe, 3 pieces, 200. Crabs. Coffee lover. Oh. Hala, it's run out. Ang lakas kasi ng ulan sa labas, guys. Oh. Oh. So, ayan. Mamimili siya ng kape, guys. Oh! Nag-run out na. Whoa! It's raining hard ata outside, Dad. Kuya say hello to my vlog. She the one who sells fish, shrimp. She say hi. So, ayan guys. So, 69, 69. Hala. So, current update guys. Wow, madami na. May chocolate, milk, Oreo. So, we need to wait. Toothpaste. Wala na kaming toothpaste. So, dati, Colgate yung binibili namin. You want to try Happy Babe? It's a Filipino brand. Colgate, the one we use in the house.
Look, it's one buy, get one free.
Yeah, it's buy one, get one. So, yan talaga yung price niya, guys. So, lahat naman tayo nakikita sa supermarket. Ganyan. So, yan na lang. Pero, gusto ko sanang isupport din yung Happy. Because, napanood ko sa vlog ni Chinkitan, parang Filipino kasi siya na brand. So, parang gusto ko i-support yung local brand. 120. Ay, this one, my love. This one, the one we use eh. In the house. So, after, we go to we need to wash the clothes. Things that we can, sabon. Ang hirap sa English. You're finished? I'm not yet finished. So, dito muna tayo sa bulak, guys. Hanap tayo ng, eto na yung mga magagamit na agad. May cotton ball. Ay, oil. Cause someone owes a massage. I win in the electricity.
No, it's cheap. Meralco is cheap.
So, efficacent guys, ito yung para sa mga panahon ngayon, kailangan na nating mag-efficacent. Maybe this one. Extra strength. Because it's hot. So, it's 67 pesos for how many ml? 50 ml. So, hold this, Bob. We go to where we buy. So, punta tayo.
Блогер.
Why it's there? It's $14. And that's all. You get already milk.
I told you I am finished.
Ay, chips na lang. Sa chips na lang. Sige, it's done.
I can go. I told you I finished.
You get juice? Milk, the Alaska. For our shake. Smooth.
What have?
Oh,
1 London milk.
in the house?
Yeah.
Wait, it's finished na. I use it. 1 London milk. 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 1 L I used it already.
Not all.
It's
You
okay.
can buy one.
I get here. No. Drinks. No. Yeah. Grabe naman. Support mo man.
Makikita yung mga dito.
It's enough? Okay, let's go.
So, this is the current situation. Na yung grocery namin yung update. There's a foreigner there. Babe. Corned beef. It's 200 too. Situation.
You need one?
Huh? Yeah, here. Sardines. Mega. It's damaged one. No green. Ah, here pala. And my favorite, San Marino. Baby, you only get one Snickers for the chocolate? Why?
Cockroach.
That number 4 open. 4 po open. Number 4 sir open. Number 4.
Babe. Huh?
What? It's back to.
Yeah. So we use this plastic.
Sasakyan kayo, ma'am? Di bike. You want the bike, sir?
Tricycle lang kami ko.
Sige. Tricycle! Tricycle!
It's done raining already.
Clouds is bored.
Hello guys. So katapos lang naming mag-grocery. Ngayon it's raining outside. So pakita ko lang guys yung mga napamili namin sa Save More. So inano ko na siya guys. Nilabas ko na siya. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Yung mga napamili natin. O ayan siya guys, yung mga napamili natin. So meron tayong Richie, Snickers, Crostini, wheat bread, Nestle, fresh milk, tapos banana bar, Del Monte Four Seasons, dalawa, isang pineapple blueberry na flavor, lava cake, and yung mga canned goods natin, Pure Foods, corned beef, San Marino, tuna, bulalo, na Lucky Me, cowbell, na condensed milk, mega sardines, Oreo, original and strawberry flavor, Piatos, dalawang chicharon ni Mang Juan. So, dalawang flavor. Frutus. Tapos, dito naman tayo guys. Coffee. 3 pack ng Nestle Original. Tapos, Colgate. Cotton. Balls. Tapos, Efficacent Extra Strength. Tapos, Champion Liquid Powder. Liquid detergent, 3 pack. Tapos meron tayong shrimp, tapos meron din tayong ground beef, tapos meron tayong chicken liver, tapos ito naman is drumstick na chicken. Ayan. Drumstick na chicken. And ito naman guys ay crabs. So ayan yung mga meat and seafoods natin. So yan lahat yung mga napamili natin for today. Ayan. So how much yung nagastos natin guys for today's shopping. So, magkano ba yung nagastos namin for today's shopping? The last time na nag-grocery kami, we paid 3,300 pesos. So, for today, ngayon guys, I think nagmahal na din mga bilihin talaga. Sobrang as in, nagtaas na. Kaya, ang binayaran namin, tsaka mas madami ito yung pinamili namin ngayon. Total is 3,885 pesos and 80 cents. So, ang budget namin itong na grocery for 2 weeks, guys. So, the next 2 weeks na naman ulit kami makakapag-grocery. So, ito pagkakasyahin namin itong dalawa, guys, for 2 weeks. So, ito normally yung kinakain namin dalawa, nagagastos namin dito sa Philippines, worth 3,000 to 4,000 pesos yung budget namin sana. Allotted budget namin sa 2 weeks na budget namin. So, for 1 month, we separate ng 7,000 to 8,000 pesos na pang grocery, guys. So, ayan siya. So, ayan. So, for more videos, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel para lagi kayong updated. And kung may gusto kayong i-vlog ko, guys, comment down below. And tingnan natin kung magawa ko siya. So, see you on my next one, guys. Bye! Thank you!